In financial reporting, a single mistake can cost millions, attract penalties, and destroy trust. And that is why ICFR is not optional. It is a must. We all know the struggle during implementation, scattered documents, Excel file everywhere, tight deadlines, and even auditors are asking tough questions. But here is the truth. ICFR does not have to be painful. It has to be smooth, quick, and stress-free if we have the right to. And it's not longer a news that over 90% of professionals and entities are now aware of what ICFR is all about. Who are the parties to this process? Which entities are required to carry it out? The guiding framework for ICFR implementation, which is the COSO framework, which consists of the 5 components and 17 principles as recommended by FRCN. So, the problem is not knowing about ICFR. The real challenge is, how do we make ICFR easy to implement? At Questnote Services, we first designed a template that broke down each component into simple structure, making processes easier for professionals and entities to follow. Now, we are taking it a step further with our app, built to make ICFR simpler, faster, and more effective. So, this app is not about learning how to use new software. No. Instead, it's about learning the content of ICFR quickly and effectively. And that is why Microsoft Excel cannot be underestimated because of its flexibility, easy to navigate, and known to all. With Microsoft Excel handling part of the automation, professionals can now focus on mastering the ICFR processes from start to finish. That is, from the entity level to the deficiency reports, everything with our app now lies in one place. Clean, organized, and tailored for each sector. So, as a consultant, you now have all you need in one app. As an entity, your ICFR processes are now streamlined and customized to your operations. And the best part of this app is no installation, just download, click, and continue to use. So here is how it works. From the interface, this is the default interface. Let's go back to the desktop. This is the interface here. This is the desktop. You can see it from the desktop. With a click of a button, you have it opened. This is the interface here. So after your download, you have it on your system this way. This is the home page, which is the default page. You have the About Us. This talk about Questnote Services and what we do. And this is the control hoop. This is where all your processes lie, starting from the ECL checklist. You can see the ECL checklist is structured to each sectors. So each check from here, each sectors, you'll be able to have your checklist from the templates, from the app. So from here, we have the control activities and materiality. This is where we are going to perform your sampling. Your sampling is going to be done here, and your materiality 17. You can see your sampling and selection control. Then you do your risk assessment as well. So from here, it links itself to each control sheet and back to what? The deficiency report. So let's take this as a demonstration. Let's demonstrate it. You can see you do your client 1, client B, client C. You name your clients the way it is. So this is the template here. from Excel, so you can manipulate it the way you want. Let's go back to the dashboard. This is how your dashboard looks like. So from a click of a button, you get to where you are going. So this is a relevant note. From here, you'll be able to know which sectors, the sectors you fall in. So under banking and financial institution, we have the commercial banks, microfinance and development bank, asset management companies, pension fund. Then we have the administration, investment and security firm. So these are the sectors that can make use of this particular template. So from here you have all what you need. Let's go back to the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Then let's make use of principle one. From this principle, you'll be able, at a glance, you'll be able to know what to do. So after you could have finished your work, from here you jump from at a click of a button, all your findings, all your recommendations fall into your control sheet. So from the control sheet now, you have everything you need. You paste everything, and from here, you go back to your deficiency report. This is the final report, or in one folder. So from here, you'll be able to navigate through. All these ones are the content, they are ready made. All you need to do is just to input it's just to input what you needed here. So this is what we have for you at Quesno Services. Then let's look at other materials in this template. Let's look at other material from the app point of view. We come here. This is where you keep your evidences. Yes, because you have to, there's a lot of document being required when we talk of entity level. A lot of document from here. You have the entity level, the way it is. This is how you do your supporting document one after the other. Make it to align at the same time. Then from there, you can also have, let's go back to this document too. This is how you keep your entity level and the transactional level. Let's look at the transactional level as well. See, the elements are aligned. This is how you do after you have done your sampling and your materiality, and also do some controls. There's a template in there that will help you split your control from your processes. You have control and processes, so it will split your processes and control. There's a template ready-made for you there. So from there, you'll be able to have all your documents and all your processes you are going to implement here. So you attach all the documents here, very clean for you to navigate through. So this is the deficiency report we have opened the other time. Immediately you do your assessment, it swings to control sheet, then from other one to the deficiency report. So also here we have some materials for you, which is the template. This you can use it as an awareness template, of which you can also use to do your findings. You can use it to do a lot of things. You can use it to train your staff on it. You can train your staff on it. This, and also the format of your report is also in here. You can use it. You can make use of it to know how the format of your report will look like. Look at, this is the format of your report. You see, because after you have finished the implementation, you are going to report to the manager for them to attest just the way it is. So you also have this in there too. So there's a lot of materials to have in this template, and we are very sure with all this you have already carried out your ICFR successfully. Then this is our contact phone number and our email address at Quesno Services. So at Quesno Services, we've designed a complete package for you, now covering your entire ICFR implementation from entity level to board approved reports. So everything lives in one place. No scattered files, no mixed steps, no confusion, just clarity, compliance, and confidence. So why not partner with us at Quesno Services today? Our contact details is on the screen as it is. So patronize us at Quesno and get your ICFR done at a click of a button. Oluwatobi Okoma is my name. The lead trainer from Quesno Services, and we'll be expecting your relationship and your partnership with us. So thank you very much.